Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be making this super simple yet delicious Singapore noodle recipe. This is my take on a Singapore noodles and I think it tastes amazing. I will put down in the description below what ingredients I use. But first off, we're going to start by marinating our prawns and our pork. So into a bowl I'm putting 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 nice generous teaspoon of some sesame oil, a good glug, about a tablespoon of some rice wine, a teaspoon of ginger paste and a teaspoon of garlic paste, and then a good glug of some light soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons full. All we want to do is give that a good mix together. If you can't get any gochujang, then you could just use your nicest hot sauce. Something like a sriracha works really well. Just give that a really good mix together. Now what I'm going to do here is add my pork. Now ideally you'd want to marinate this in the fridge overnight, but I didn't have time for making the video, so I've just given it about 10 minutes. Make sure that your pork is lovely and covered, and then I'm just going to put it into a roasting tin. Put it into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes until it's nice and dark and gnarly on the outside and cooked all the way through. While that's cooking in the oven, we're going to pop in our prawns and we're going to marinate them for the time it takes for the pork to cook. Just make sure the prawns are covered in all that beautiful marinade. Now we're going to get on with prepping our vegetables. So I'm using 1 white onion. I've got 2 green spring onions. And I'm going to use 1 carrot, which I'm going to cut into batons. For this recipe I'm going to be using some egg vermicelli noodles, but you could use the rice ones, they work just as well. Just cook them to the instructions on the packet. So now we've got all our ingredients and prep done, it's time to start cooking. So in a nice large wok I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once it's nice and hot I'm going to add in my vegetables. So chuck all your vegetables in at this point and we're just going to cook them for about 3 or 4 minutes just until they start to get a little bit soft. Keep them moving, you don't want the veggies to burn. Here we go with some wok skill, look at that. So they've been cooking for a couple of minutes. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of some curry powder and 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Now the curry powder you could use medium or hot, it's entirely up to you. Cook those spices off for a couple of minutes and I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce just for seasoning. And we're going to give that a good cook. So once your vegetables are nice and soft, we're going to add our prawns, which will only take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. After a couple of minutes, when your prawns are almost cooked, we're going to add our pork back into the recipe and give that a good mix up so that all the flavours get to know each other. You then want to add in your noodles. Now I find a really easy way of incorporating the noodles is to use 2 wooden spoons and just give them a good toss. If you're feeling confident and do it with 1, then good luck to you, but like I say, it makes it easier with 2. Now at this stage the noodles could be done, but I like it with a bit of sauce, so I add the marinating juice. If you do add the juice from the marinade, just bear in mind you need to cook it thoroughly through because it has had raw prawns and pork in it. So just make sure it's cooked all the way through and it's piping hot. And that's it guys, really easy Singapore noodles, also known as Singapore chow mein. Thank you very much for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe to become part of the family and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.